What if trying to save money on an engine ended up costing you thousands more? This Prius 5 is proof that the cheapest decision can become the most expensive mistake. One factory flaw, one tempting shortcut, and a reliable hybrid spirals into oil consumption, repeat engine swaps, and non-stop repair bills. A quart of oil every 600 miles, 3 engines later, and the problem still isn't gone. This isn't bad luck, it's a pattern. Today, we're breaking down exactly how a known design flaw, used engines, and rushed repairs turned into a financial nightmare. If you care about real-world car stories that can save you serious money, make sure you're subscribed, because this is one lesson you don't want to learn the hard way. The factory flaw, where it all started. This story begins with the Toyota Prius 5, a car known for reliability. But in certain years, it carried a serious weakness. The problem lies in the 2 ZR-FXE engine, which left the factory with a piston ring design flaw. Toyota used low-tension piston rings to improve fuel economy. On paper, it worked. In real-world driving, those rings build up carbon, lose their seal, and the engine starts burning oil at an extreme rate, sometimes as much as a quart every 600 miles. That's exactly what happened here. Oil consumption increased, spark plugs fouled, and eventually the engine failed completely. At that point, the owner faced a choice. One option was the proper fix: rebuild the engine with updated pistons and rings that correct the flaw. The other option was cheaper and more tempting, installing a used engine from a salvage yard. Trying to save money, the owner chose the used engine. That decision set off everything that followed. The lottery you're almost guaranteed to lose. This is the core problem with buying a used engine for a car that already has a known factory defect. You're not fixing anything, you're gambling, and the odds are against you. The reward is usually the same problem you started with. In this case, the shop installed a used engine pulled from a wrecked Prius. That engine had the exact same faulty piston ring design. Nothing was solved. The failure was simply delayed. Within a month, the oil warning light returned. The shop warrantied the engine, removed it, and installed another used one. The result didn't change. Even after 3 engine swaps, the car continued burning oil. This is the reality. A design flaw cannot be fixed by replacing it with the same flawed design. Repeating the same shortcut only guarantees repeat failure. And the engine wasn't the end of it. Cheap engine swaps often come with rushed labor, and that's when additional problems begin to surface. The butcher job, wiring nightmares. When the hood was finally opened on this Prius 5, the problem was obvious. The wiring harness had been badly hacked. Modern hybrids rely on precise voltage signals, and even a small drop can trigger system-wide failures. Loose ground wires, broken connectors held together with zip ties, and twisted wires wrapped in electrical tape were found instead of proper repairs. This kind of work usually comes from rushed engine swaps done to save time and money. The result was parasitic battery drains, intermittent electrical faults, and constant warning lights. The owner kept paying for diagnostics to chase these ghost issues, but none of them were factory problems. They were created during the engine swaps, the hybrid battery gamble. As if the engine issues weren't enough, the hybrid battery became the next problem. A new OEM Toyota hybrid battery is expensive. So sticking with the same cost-cutting approach, a used battery was installed instead. This is where things went wrong. There is no such thing as a reliable used hybrid battery. Nickel metal hydride batteries are wear items with a limited lifespan. A used one may work briefly, but it's already near the end of its life. The refurbished battery likely had only a few bad cells replaced, leaving the rest of the pack worn and unbalanced. That imbalance forced the system to constantly charge and discharge, stressing the inverter and reducing fuel economy. At this point, the car had an oil-burning engine, damaged wiring, and a hybrid battery that couldn't hold a charge. And unfortunately, the damage didn't stop there. The silent victim, the catalytic converter. This is the damage most people never consider. An engine works as a system, and when one part fails, others suffer with it. The used engines in this Prius were burning oil, and that oil didn't disappear. It was pushed through the exhaust and straight into the catalytic converter. Catalytic converters are designed to clean exhaust gases, not process burned motor oil. Over time, the oil coated the precious metals inside the converter, slowly clogging it. Once that happened, the car began throwing a P0420 code for catalyst efficiency. Power dropped because the exhaust couldn't flow properly, and the added back pressure caused the engine to burn even more oil. A genuine Toyota Prius VIF catalytic converter costs close to $2,000. By avoiding a proper engine rebuild to save $1,500, the owner ended up destroying a more expensive part. The autopsy, the cost of denial. This is where the damage becomes clear. The first engine swap cost about $1,800, including parts and labor. The second engine was warrantied, but labor still added another $800. A used hybrid battery followed at $900, while chasing electrical problems added $600 in diagnostics. Oil damage destroyed the catalytic converter, requiring a $2,000 replacement. Rental cars and rides during downtime added roughly $500 more. Altogether, the total reached $6,000 to $7,000. The problem? A high-mileage Prius 5 in this condition might be worth $5,000 on a good day. The owner effectively paid for the car twice, yet it still ran poorly. This is sunk cost fallacy in action. Each repair justified the next, while the finish line kept moving farther away. The verdict: stop buying used problems. The takeaway here isn't easy, but it's important. A used engine is not always the right solution. In some cases, like a Honda Civic or a Ford Crown Vic that failed due to a one-time event, a junkyard engine can make sense. But when a vehicle fails because of a known factory defect, buying used parts only repeats the same failure. Whether it's oil consumption on two ZR engines, timing chain issues on certain German cars, or weak transmissions on older Nissans, the defect comes with the used part. The only real fix is addressing the root cause. Rebuilding this engine properly with updated components would have cost about $3,500 up front, but it would have prevented damaged wiring, a ruined catalytic converter, and premature battery failure. This Prius 5 is a warning. Cheap fixes often become the most expensive mistakes.